This is really sad. I don't like it. Hello there, you may call me Miss Introvert, and this is my official K-bye video. K-bye! We're not done yet. There are some people that I want to thank and say goodbye to. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, I want to thank all of the viewers and subscribers that watch my videos and comment on every single one. You guys are so supportive of my tiny platform, and I can only hope that I can keep giving you guys better content, whether that's on breaks and or while I'm still in school, who knows? You guys are so supportive of my channel, and I'm so thankful for you guys. Also, my grandparents who watch my videos religiously, like the day they come out, and then tell their friends about them. You can do that too by sharing the video right down there. You can do that right down there. Or you can share one of my writing videos to somebody who needs help writing. There's one in the card right there. But they really boost my morale whenever I go to their house, which is my favorite place in the world, by the way. Also, my parents, who have supported me in this endeavor, even though it's made few strides. It's basically just a hobby. They really showed me a lot of love by giving me some really good advice and also providing me with some fun tools. Also, if anyone has any critiques at all on my channel in regards to what it previously has been, I would love to hear them so that I can bring it further and make it so much more applicable to writers. I would love that so that it's better when I potentially come back. Which I will come back. This is just, I don't know what the word is. It's just a little pause. But yes, I want to make this channel bigger and better, so your feedback is one of the ways that I can do that. Also, I want to thank my sister, who lets me film in our room that we share, even though it's probably really annoying to her.
Oh, good, you're not busy. Actually, Cassidy, I am busy.
But yeah, thanks for being cool about it, and I hope you enjoyed that Vine if you even watched this. And last, but definitely not least, I want to thank my dear imaginary friends, from the Writing Mind, to Billy, to Topsy, to Mandy, to Norman, and all of my other friends that have just helped me make this channel because I made them, but they were very cooperative, and I'm very happy about it, and all the work that we've done so far. So thank you, imaginary friends. Billy's actually not coming with me. He's staying here. So if you ever wanted a Billy cameo on Instagram, you'll have to wait till I get home for breaks, because he is staying here. He prefers this house to haunt, so. And that's all for now in quite a while, folks. Thanks for watching me talk to myself once again. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the links will be in the description below. And if you have any questions about writing or being an introvert or whatever, I hope I can answer them. And you can just hit me up on Instagram, and hopefully I can help you out there or give you a link to a video. And stay basic. Okay, bye!